So, are you in a no contact situation with your person, or you would like to receive a text message, a form of communication from your specific person? Then today I'm going to give you this one amazing short SATS scene that you can replay in your mind as you go to bed tonight and wake up to a message from your specific person tomorrow. It literally does work that fast. So if you are ready, let's dive in. Hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar, and on this channel my mission is to help all of you guys become masters at manifesting your dream reality. So you want to get out of a no contact situation, you want to receive a text message from your person. This SATS practice is literally going to change the game for you. And by the way, your person doesn't only have to be a romantic interest, it could be a client, it could be a job that you are, like trying to hear back from. It could be anybody, a business deal, a friend, a partner, a family member. I've used this method to receive text from one of these cases at every time, right? So you can use it for anybody. This is just not for a romantic partner. But here's what you're going to do. So let me give you a brief introduction of SATs, right? What it is and what the process is so that you can use it. And then let's dive into that scene that I'm going to have you visualize as you go to bed tonight so that you can get amazing results, right? So, what is SATs? SATS is essentially Neville Goddard's state akin to sleep method. So, what this method does is that it takes advantage of a very small time window between when you lie down on the bed and when you're fully asleep. So, you don't fall asleep immediately, right? When you lie down on your bed, you'll slowly, the brainwave activity will slowly decrease and you'll go into the alpha brainwave states, all right? Now, in those alpha brainwave states, your subconscious mind is wide open, which is why subliminals work, and which is why anything that you imprint on your subconscious in this state will directly be accepted as an assumption, as a belief, right? And what does the law of assumption say? The law of assumption says that anything that you assume to be your reality has to manifest. So, in the sad state where your brain activity is in the alpha brainwave state, where your subconscious is extremely susceptible to suggestions, whatever you imprint in your mind during this state has to manifest, and it will manifest quickly. That is why SATs and visualizations are like extremely powerful, because they can change the game around for you overnight, right? So this is SATs. If you want a detailed description on how to do SATs, I have a video on my channel on SATs. Check this out. But now let's dive into what is the scene that you're going to visualize. Now you've prepared yourself, you're going to bed, you're relaxed, you're comfortable, you're getting drowsy, you're in the sleepy state. What should you visualize? Do this. Whoever this person is, right? And wherever you receive communication from them. So let me give you a few examples. If it's your romantic partner, you could receive text messages from them on any of the social media apps, right? Or if this is a job, you might receive an email. If this is a business partner, again, you might receive an email, right? So whichever mode of conversation you think you are going to use with this person, you are going to visualize them reaching out to you via that mode of communication, and allow yourself, literally, just your eyes are closed and you are just literally visualizing yourself responding to their message already. I like to, with the live in the end thing, when we talk about live in the end, I like to visualize the next step always when it comes to SATs, right? I don't do, I've received the text message and getting excited. No, I like to take it a step further. You've already opened the communication, it's what you wanted, and you're replying to them. So see yourself replying to that text message and repeat this over and over again, this simple sequence over and over again as you go to sleep. It will be surprising when you receive the exact same communication from your person, from whoever it is that you want to hear from by the next day, because that's how quickly it works. So try it out. and see the power. Totally believe that it's going to work out for you. Like these are some additional steps that will, not steps, but additional advice that will help you get your results quicker. Believe that it's going to work out for you. This is it. This is going to work out for you because your faith in the practice, in the law of assumption, is what drives the results you get. So, absolutely, with complete conviction, do this exercise today. Do not doubt the exercise at all. You know the scientific explanation beside it. It's not just something somebody is telling you. It's science proven. The anything that you imprint in your mind in alpha brainwave state has to manifest. It becomes a belief and assumption almost instantly. So trust in the process. Believe that it's going to work out for you. This process is going to work out for you, and this process is going to give you the results. And see the magic for yourself. Come back and let me know in the comments how you received your text message. It's going to be amazing. Do this as a fun exercise, and have at it. Have fun with it. So, thank you so much for joining me here today. Subscribe to the channel, by the way, if you've not subscribed yet. Subscribe to the channel, and when you do subscribe, press the bell icon so that you never miss out on another video that I post. Comment Master Manifester, like this video, share this video, and to book a personal coaching with me or to join my 30-day manifestation challenge, check the description box for all the details. And I will see you again soon. Bye.